Hey everyone, welcome back my channel. In today's video, we are going to long time review Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC after 2.5 years later its release. So today I will be sharing my long time review. So let's start the video. So at first talk about the phone design and the build quality. When it comes to design, the Poco X3 NFC still look great even after 2.5 years. The phone built with Gorilla Glass 5 in the front, plastic back with plastic frame. Moving on the display, the Poco X3 NFC featuring a 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. Even after more than 2 years, the display still looks bright and color are well done. The high refresh rate is a noticeable advantage, providing smooth scrolling and the improved gaming experience. As for software, the Poco F3 NFC right now running the latest MIUI 13 with Android 12. In terms of performance, the Poco X3 NFC is powered by the Snapdragon 732G chipset and up to 8GB of RAM. While it's maybe not a latest processor on the market, it's still capable of handling most tasks and gaming without any pressure. And at the same time, you also play any types of game in a medium graphics, so overall the smartphone performance is still pretty good. Now let's talk about the camera. The Poco X3 NFC comes with the quad camera setup, including a 64 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Well, the camera was impressive at the time of release, and more than 2 years you can take a decent picture and every time you can take a pretty much good photo with lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is pretty good. Battery life has always been a strong of a Poco X3 NFC, and even after more than 2 years still the 6000 mAh battery you can get almost 2-day battery backup. That is for today video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tech video. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.